Hey guys, it's me D from Infobro. You have heard about many warriors in the myths. Today I'm with a story about a king who have 1,000 arms. Kartavirya Arjuna, also known as Sahasrabahu Arjuna or Sahasra Arjuna, was a legendary king of ancient Haihaya's kingdom with capital Mahishmati. Once Lord Vishnu was reciting Vedas to Lakshmi. After a long time, Lakshmi got bored. Angry Lord Vishnu cursed her that she would be born on earth. That very moment she disappeared. Realizing his mistake, Lord Vishnu incarnated as Dhanaka, son of King Kanaga of Haihaya dynasty. He married Lakshmi and their son was Kartavirya, father of Kartavirya Arjuna. Later Lord Dattatreya blessed Kartavirya Arjuna with 1,000 hands, but this made the king arrogant. Kartavirya's power is popularly told in Ramayana. Kartavirya is considered to be the contemporary of Ravana. Story goes that once when Kartavirya Arjuna was having a bath in river Narmada along with his wife, he stopped the force of river with his 1,000 arms from both sides. The teenager Ravana, who was singing the hymns of Shiva and praying to him, made him lose his concentration. Enraged, Ravana challenged Forma for combat, in which Ravana was defeated and was put on humiliation. Then, on request of his paternal grandfather Pulastya, the great emperor released Ravana. In the Mahabharata Vanaparna, Kartavirya Arjuna became drunk with power despite all the boon he had acquired. He lost control of his senses and began to oppress human, yakshas, and the very god themselves. Arjuna once troubled Varuna and asked him if there was anyone equal to him in power. Varuna replied that only Jamadagni's son Parashurama revealed Arjuna. Enraged Arjuna went to Jamadagni's heritage to see Parashurama's power. Purana recounts that Kartavirya Arjuna and his army visited a rishi named Jamadagni, who fed his guest and hauled the army with offering from his divine cow Kamadhenu. The king demanded the cow for the betterment of his subjects. Jamadagni refused because he needed the cow for his religious ceremonies. King Arjuna sent his soldiers to take cow. As the conflict developed among them, the King Arjuna lost his temper and chopped the head of Jamadagni. When Parashurama, Jamadagni's son, returned to the heritage, he was informed of the contest by his mother. In revenge, Parashurama killed entire clan of Arjuna and the king with battle axe given to him by Lord Shiva, eventually killing all Kshatriyas, thus conquering the entire earth, which was ruled by Brahmanas. He enacted this wholesale eradication of Kshatriyas for 21 generations. In other legend, Kartavirya sent 17 Akshauhinis to fight against the alone Parashurama, who was on feet. The Brahmana single-handedly slew the entire army and no one is spared alive. Kartavirya arrived in his divine golden chariot. The king himself was a powerful archer capable of simultaneously wielding 500 bows and shooting 500 arrows at a time. Parashurama broke Arjuna's bow and slew his horses and charioteer and destroyed the chariot itself with his arrows. Arjuna hurled many weapons, rocks, and trees at Parashurama, but the sage parried all these. The Parashurama hacked off his 1,000 arms with his arrows and dismembered him with his axe. Mahabharata mentioned him as one of the best warrior and introduced his divine origin, attributing it to the Padmini Ekadashi. And that's all for the video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.